Charcuterie boards are all the rage. How about a taco board where I have my onions, I have my soft shells, hard shells, beans, cheese, everything that you can possibly imagine. But the star of the show is absolutely my garlicky guacamole. It's so famous, I put it in my cookbook. Here's how easy it is. All right, I already pre-sliced my avocados. Always love taking out the pit. It's top secret how I do that. I'm sorry, I can't share it with you all. But all I'm gonna do is super easy. Go ahead and scoop out the avocado from the skin. I did about 3 medium-size avocados here. Who doesn't love avocado? I literally would put avocado on everything if I could. So super easy. Make sure they're ripe. You know, you can always give them a little squeeze. The funny thing about avocados for me is that they spoil really quickly. All right, so now that I got everybody in the pool here, okay, all my avocados in there, I'm gonna get rid of my skins, and then let's start adding all the good stuff, okay? We're gonna add some cilantro. We're gonna add some salsa and onions. This is super easy, and the really big secret is the garlic. I usually do about 2 or 3 cloves. You can do whatever you want. And now I'm just gonna get it all incorporated and mashed together. That's why you wanna make sure, oh, this smells so good already. You wanna make sure that you have nice, ripe avocados, because for me, I don't like it whipped. I still like it really chunky. So you wanna make sure that you're using that so that you have nice whole pieces. Look at how beautiful this is. I usually let it sit in the fridge for a little bit just so all of those flavors come together. But now let's add some of this to this amazing taco board that we did for our Cinco de Mayo party. That couldn't be any easier. See those beautiful whole pieces? Absolutely, my mouth's watering. Delicious. All right, now that we have finished that amazing guacamole, I'm gonna grab my final detail to my amazing Cinco de Mayo taco board. And that is my taco cups, which are so delicious, also including the recipe. These are so great. Make the taco mix however you like, and then you're gonna get store-bought biscuits, cut them into triangles, mold them right into the cups, and then they pop right out. So I can start to layer some of those right here on the board. So now everybody can help themselves for this amazing, fun, super festive way to lay out all of the food, all of those great flavors, everything we love about Cinco de Mayo, now all in one place where everybody can help themselves. And I don't know about you, but you ready to join me? Cheers.